preferred model mainly used for thick blade cutting, equipped with a super intelligent system and BLT laser cutting head. It has 22 black technology cutting process to provide high-quality cutting solutions for processing thick blades. With advanced features such as intelligent piercing, process monitoring, and melt pool monitoring, it simplifies processing operations to achieve higher efficiency. The cutting head has a unique anti-collision design to prevent damage from collisions, and modular design for quick problem solving with low maintenance costs. With the enterprise mission of practicing laser intelligent manufacturing and participating in China's creation, Baisheng Laser has always been committed to intelligent laser equipment development. We have obtained more than 240 laser technology patents, with more than 200 precision machining equipment. Our annual production capacity is more than 3,000 sets. It has achieved the full coverage of laser cutting power from 1.5 kW to 40 kW. We provide solution and service to customers in sheet metal processing, machining manufacturing, ray transit, and other metal processing industry. So that's today our customer's story. Welcome to subscribe our channel for more upcoming client site visiting. I will take you to explore more exciting processing sites. Thank you.